YouTube settings you should know about, and what are the best settings to get more views on YouTube. Without further ado, let's proceed. To begin with, open your browser and go to youtube.com. We're simply gonna go to YouTube Studio by clicking your logo icon. Next, click the settings button. Once the settings appeared, click your upload defaults. The first thing we should consider is your title. But how do I make a proper title? Put this in mind, that YouTube itself is giving us a hint on how to create a proper title. It is a good advantage to put a catchy title to help you hook viewers. When you create video titles, it's a good idea to include keywords your audience is likely to use when looking for videos like yours. Remember, hook and keywords. Hook the viewers by putting exciting, interesting, exaggerated words. Also, don't forget to put keywords in the beginning of your title because it helps viewers to determine what your video is all about. Now, search for a keyword related to your video. You can use any keyword tool, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, it doesn't really matter what you use. As you can see, this keyword has a lot of competition, but it also have a high search volume with high optimization strength, which is good, so I am going to make this as my title. After that, insert that keyword in your title, and as I said a while ago, you need to put a hook at the end of your title in order for the viewers to determine what your video is all about. That will trigger their interest to click on your videos. Now you know how to properly make your title. Easy, right? Let us now proceed to your description. Like the title, descriptions also plays a major role in optimizing your videos. Descriptions are not just for your social media links, we need to understand what description really is. In order for you to maximize the power of your description, watch and listen carefully. Just like the title, writing descriptions with keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. You can give an overview of your video and place keywords in the beginning of the descriptions. Now, remember the hint, keywords, and overview. This means that you should fill your descriptions with as many keywords as possible. The common mistake that new YouTubers are making is that they are just copying the keywords in the description without putting it in a sentence. This is actually a spam metadata, which is against the rules of YouTube. See to it that the keywords are used in a sentence to keep you out of trouble, so I hope you're aware of that. Now you know how to create your description, easy, right? Now, let us focus to the next setting, which is sometimes neglected. The YouTube tags. YouTube tags are like a compilation of your keywords, which helps the algorithm to categorize your videos. This also helps viewers to easily find your content more easily. Now, input your top keywords on your tags that you searched a while ago. Make sure to put your channel name along with your keywords. Just a tip, the keyword you put in your title should also appear in your descriptions and tags. This helps to increase your traffic sources in your YouTube analytics. Now let us proceed to the most important settings when uploading, but before that, let me first show you some of the settings you might have ignored. Go to your advanced settings. Here you can see a lot of options below. Let's focus first on your YouTube license. There are only two kinds of YouTube license: Creative Commons and the standard YouTube license. In Creative Commons, other content creators can use your content without your consent. On the other hand, if you select the standard YouTube license, your videos cannot be reproduced without your consent. So, make sure to check this whenever you upload. Next, you can also select your category, depending on what your video is all about. Gaming, sports, music. These are just some of the categories in here. Make sure to check it out so that the YouTube algorithm can categorize your videos easily. Furthermore, selecting your language depending on what you use on your videos helps the YouTube algorithm to easily generate automatic captions to your videos. And you can also filter your comments by allowing all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold comments for review, and lastly disable your comments completely. As I mentioned a while ago, there are some settings that you should consider, but you often forgot. One of them is subtitles. Subtitles are like a king in any social media platform we use. But why is it a king? As we all know, most of the people are using mobile phones in browsing and watching on social media, specifically on YouTube. And some of them are not even using audios to watch your videos, they often use subtitles to understand your videos. Looking through your analytics, there is a high percentage of people who are using subtitles. It also helps foreign language to better understand your videos. To insert your subtitles, you can actually type it manually, you can upload a file, or you just wait for the YouTube's automatic subtitles. Just a bonus tip, adding end screens also helps to increase your views because once they finish watching your videos, they can click an additional video of yours and they can continue watching your videos. Just a recap. Title should have keywords and hook. Descriptions, keywords and overview. YouTube license, standard YouTube license and Creative Commons. Category, comments, subtitles, and end screens. Now, the YouTube algorithm is recommending you these 2 videos, check it out, and see you in the next video.